Hi? Would you like to know a cleaner that would save you thousands of dollars every year, especially after the breakout of this pandemic of COVID-19? Well, you're in the right place. That cleaner is the Force of Nature Cleaner. Known for its vast usage from any surface around the home to classrooms, offices, and basically everywhere that requires cleaning, and it completely eliminates germs. Basically, cleaner is used to disinfect from bacteria any usable thing like floor surface, glassware, plastic windows, etc. Importance of cleaning products in our daily life. Cleaning products also enable us to care for our homes and possessions. Cleaning products not only remove dirt and soil, but they also can kill the germs that may cause illness. Cleaning products can help protect against seasonal flu outbreaks and illness. Where cleaning products may be used: hospitals, restaurants, daycare centers, schools, and other public facilities must be disinfectant to keep the environment germ-free. Force of Nature Cleaning Products Benefits. Force of Nature cleaning products based on antibacterial cleaners that protect us from different kinds of disease like infectious diseases, genetic diseases, non-genetic hereditary diseases. How Force of Nature cleaner is better than other market cleaner? First of all, this cleaner is made by natural things that is not harmful for human health. It is used for multi-purposes like concealed stone, glass, stainless steel, wood, laminate, porcelain, tile, plastic, rubber. And it is effective as compared to bleach. It is easy to make by only 3 things: water, vinegar, salt. It's only natural cleaner with no added fragrances, dyes. It's non-toxic, but just as effective as these products that mentioned below. Bleach, Formula 409 on grease, Windex on glass, badly odors, scrubbing bubbles on soap scum. Force of Nature cleaner is properly sealed. Price of this product is very cheap as compared to other market cleaning product. The most interesting quality of our cleaner is that it can be save your money up to 80%. Why we use Force of Nature cleaner? Because it is family safe cleaner. It is used for multi-purposes. We can use it on your counters, handles, showers, sinks. We can also spray in the air if someone coughs or sneezes. You can spray on couch, bedding, pillows, even on grocery bags without any danger. Force of Nature cleaner is non-toxic. That's why it is also used in schools, hospitals very confidently without any danger or allergy. Can we use it daily on your things? Yes, it can be used on your daily basis, things like keyboard, phones, desk, and microwave, etc. Can we use this cleaner with hard water? If you have hard water, we can use a soft water, distilled or deionized water instead of tap water. Because in hard water minerals interfere with the chemistry of water, that's interference making the cleaner less effective, and can shorten the life of your Force of Nature. Does Force of Nature cleaner kill the virus or bacteria? Force of Nature is a federal EPA-registered disinfectant and sanitizer proven to kill 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, including norovirus, salmonella, influenza A, staph, MRSA, and listeria. The federal EPA has designated Force of Nature for use in hospitals, ICUs, medical clinics, daycares, schools, restaurants, and veterinary clinics, and more. How to use it as a carpet cleaner, and what about its effectiveness? Carpet cleaning efficacy. Force of Nature is very effective in carpet cleaning because it has no harmful chemicals. We suggest firstly using rough carpet. How we can buy this product worldwide from home? Customer can buy this product through our official website very easily just by clicking the link in the description box.